Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today we are learning 1 to 20 counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our colors. Blue color. Blue color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Light green color. Light green color. Red color. Red color. Blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yellow color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Light green color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. Red color. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.